What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Thursday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. This morning we're talking about Cardano, ADA, the transaction volume skyrocketing, surpassing Ethereum Litecoin, second only to Bitcoin. It is booming. It's ready to pop anytime, ADA. I mean, not just on price value of per token. I mean, like, it's been progressing at an amazing rate. It's one of the most developed, if not the most developed blockchain in the world. It's one of the most decentralized blockchains in the world. Right, I think it's one of, if not the biggest DAO in the world. So it's continuously growing, and so is the transaction volume. It's only good long term, regardless of the short term price and shit. Fuck them people, fuck that noise, and let's concentrate on some positivity. So the Cardano network is now in a second position to Bitcoin, thereby outpacing both Litecoin as well as its rival smart contract platform Ethereum in terms of 24-hour transaction volume. Cardano's on-chain activity, according to the data curated by Mazzara over the past day, Cardano blockchain registered a transaction volume of a whopping 17.04 billion. It is still far from the peak volume of 138 billion established in the first week of September last year. Notably, the network hasn't seen much success in the last 5 months, despite several key updates. However, Cardano is now ranked second in terms of daily estimated on-chain transaction volume, while Bitcoin tops the chart with a massive 39.3 billion over the same period. The transaction volumes for the Ethereum and Litecoin networks were at 5.25 billion and 7.20 billion respectively. As depicted on the stats by the prominent crypto analytic company Into the Block, the number of new daily addresses being created on the network has seen two major upticks in the last 2 weeks. Crypto analyst Alan Martinez believes that a sustained increase in this metric typically precedes a spike in price volatility for ADA. Cardano has been at the receiving end of criticisms when it comes to implementing new features and functions into its code base, but since the beginning of 2022, the network has reportedly risen by approximately 13 gigabytes, further demonstrating the growing chain's activity. I mean, people are always going to nitpick about price and whatever. Let them fucking moan. I mean, fucking hell, I like to have a moan every now and then. Just let me fucking moan. Ignore me. Tell me to shut the fuck up. But let me moan. So recently, search engine giant Google added ADA to its currency conversion rate calculator, enabling users to convert the crypto to several fiat currencies such as USD, GB, Euro, etc. Despite the significant recognition and renewed turnaround in Cardano's network activity, ADA's price did not undergo any improvement. The asset has been downhill for months. Great terminology, that. After suffering fresh daily losses of 13%, now ADA trades around 85 cents. According to Into the Block, more than 92% of ADA holders were in a loss. The crypto asset was down by well over 70% from its all-time high of $3.10. I mean, most people are at a if most ADA holders are at a loss, then they entered the project a little late. It's as simple as that. And when you've just smashed previous all-time highs, and you roll right up to new ones, higher highs, higher highs, higher. Like, what the fuck did he expect? Like, what the fuck did he expect? Like, charts can't maintain just going up, going up, going up. No market, no economy, no chart, no order book can maintain that. It just fucking can't. Not fairly, with natural pressure, natural supply and demand pushing the market and pushing the value. To be honest, ADOS sub dollar, it's an incredible buying opportunity. You got the opportunity to buy some below a dollar. Same with, to be honest, same with XRP. Anytime that's below a dollar again, when the SEC case hit, I said straight away, it's going to be over a dollar before this ends, if not over $2. It went over a dollar pretty quick when the SEC case started, if I'm being perfectly honest. It then even approached $2. It just fucking didn't sustain it. Didn't sustain it, did it? That's all it is. Threats of war and shit. The world's on its fucking ass, and people wonder why crypto struggling a little bit. Well, everywhere is feeling the pinch. Everywhere is feeling the pinch. Every industry is feeling the pinch. When my phone decides to rejoin the party, the 13 gigabytes is interesting. Because since the 1st of January, Cardano blockchain grew by about 13 gigabytes. Historically speaking, this is a lot. And clearly there is a lot of chain activity. Now, this is the updates and progressions of Alonzo smart contracts, the implementation of all the NFT platforms, the NFT minting, the NFT metadata stuff and all that shit. And every time there's an update, boom. 13 gigabytes of growth in less than 2 months. In less than 2 months, mate. It's crazy how it gets so much heat, ADOS. It gets so much heat, gets so much shit. Let me know in the comments, when do you think, if and when do you think Ethereum loses second spot again through market cap? We know XRP's took it in the past. We know that obviously when it all started, it was all here, there, and everywhere. But then it got foothold Ethereum as number 2, Bitcoin number 1. Still the same now, except for that tiny little stint when XRP pipped it a couple of times. XRP, when it went up to fucking 380, absolutely annihilated Ethereum. It just leapfrogged it in value. Straight away. It makes you wonder what's going to happen towards the back end of this year when XLS-20D has been implemented. Same with ADA. As the growth continues, can Ethereum handle the heat? Can it take the heat? Can it keep up? Can it stay ahead of them? I don't believe it can, me. I don't believe it can. I'd like to. I don't really give a shit. I care about fees. I care about fees and how fair the network is. Beyond that, I don't really give a shit what currency is, as long as it's fucking cheap as fuck, fast as fuck, and everyone's happy, buzzing. Yeah, I couldn't care whether it's fucking XRP, Ethereum, or ADA in the end. But currently, Ethereum is dog shit. It costs way too much to send any money anywhere. It costs more than you're sending half the time. Like, who the fuck is going to spend like 100 fucking quid to send 100 quid. Like 2 ton to send a one-off. And people don't come in, like, people will be in comments like, oh, well, it's not that bad. No, yes, it is. Yes, it is that bad. Not all the time, not every minute of every hour of every day. Granted, no. But I mean, come on, man. Sometimes it costs you fucking 50 quid to move a pound. Fucking joke. That is a joke of a network when it comes to speed and cost. It just is. And next to that, not only ADA and XRP, but Sol and all the rest of them, they're just a hell of a lot cheaper than your fucking Ethereum. So let me know in the comments, if do you think Ethereum will be toppled as number 2 again? And when do you think it'll happen for good, if it happens for good? Do you think it'll be ADA that takes it first? Do you think it'll be Solana takes it first? Do you think it'll be XRP again? Let me know what you think. And in the meantime, enjoy the rest of your week. Yeah, you know the dance. Wishing health and happiness to you and yours. Invest in yourself, invest in your net of value. Live long and hold it all, never let it go. Get it steak, get it baked, baby. Look after the pot till it looks after you. Nah. Wishing health and happiness to you and yours, guys. We love crypto, we love ADA, we love Cardano, and we love you. So take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.